Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going straight to accessibility because that's where iOS controls input features. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then choose Touch. Once inside Touch, scroll to find Back Tap. This is the single built-in path to assign double or triple tap actions on the iPhone 15. Make sure you're holding the phone normally. iOS detects taps on the rear. You're starting the setup now, so you can assign shortcuts or system actions quickly without diving into unrelated menus. Once there, pick double tap or triple tap to choose what happens when you tap the back. You can select system actions like Screenshot, App Switcher, or choose a specific shortcut you already made. That's why creating a shortcut first expands capability. After selecting an action, test it by tapping the back with normal finger force. If it doesn't trigger, try adjusting how you hold the device and ensure no case blocks the motion. Cases rarely interfere, but some stiff ones can reduce sensitivity. Finish by confirming the selected action runs consistently. If it doesn't, switch between double and triple to find the most reliable trigger for you. If taps fail repeatedly, remove the case and try again. Some cases dampen detection, and restart the iPhone to clear temporary sensor issues. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure iOS is up to date. Back tap lives in accessibility and may behave oddly on outdated builds. If problems persist, toggle back tap off and on, then retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.